Less than 2 weeks after the Diocese of San Diego said it may have to file for bankruptcy, it's now the target of a lawsuit regarding its finances and properties.
In that lawsuit, we are alleging that the diocese fraudulently transferred 291 properties to separate parish corporations, dummy corporations, and properties that are worth over $400 million.
Attorney Erwin Zalkin says the diocese did that to avoid paying fair compensation to victims of childhood sexual abuse. The diocese is facing roughly 400 of those types of claims, and Zalkin's firm represents about 120 clients. Zalkin says this new lawsuit is critically important if the diocese does file for bankruptcy.
It's all about what assets the diocese has, what insurance coverage they have, what's available to them as a financial resource to compensate the victims.
The 480-page lawsuit alleges that in September of 2019, after a bill extended the statute of limitations of child abuse claims, the diocese fraudulently transferred assets to 93 separate parish corporations. Zalkin says this lawsuit seeks to reverse those transfers.
This diocese and its parishes have engaged in a conspiratorial enterprise to defraud child abuse victims and to deny them the justice they deserve.
The news coincides with the arrival of Lent this year and has created some unease for the local Catholic faithful. Matthew Savino was at Mission San Diego to attend Mass for Ash Wednesday. He told KPBS that even with the difficult times for the diocese, he's staying focused on his religion.
I'm just here for my faith and to stick to God, so I'm not going to let that really interfere with what's going on.
The Diocese of San Diego is pushing back on the claims in the new suit. In a statement, they said that under canon law, assets of each parish are separate and independent of the diocese, and that more than a decade ago, it started formalizing the legal status of the parishes and their assets under civil law. The diocese also says that move came before the bill to extend the time frame for filing sexual abuse suits. Diocese spokesperson Kevin Eckery now says they should have a decision on whether or not they will file for bankruptcy by midsummer. Jacob Ayer, KPBS News.